Well, story about Zai Chat, it's that is Chinese version of ChatGPT. It offers free tier and paid tier. It offers multiple models. It works with various modes. You can create slides, let's see, templates. You can base your slide on some of these, or you can create your own. Let's go with full stack. With it you can create your own website. With design option, you can deal with graphics, even can write code for you. And let me try this one. Alright, I want Python code for a HTTP server that is going to serve on port 10001, and when client connects, server is going to return message hello in plain text. Let me try it. Okay, it's reasonably fast. I guess that code is fine. Now let's try something else. I'm going to open new chat. Let's try with deep research. What you can tell me about my YouTube channel? Okay, deep research takes a lot of time. I'm going to try to skip this. And once more. Okay, won't allow me to skip thinking. I guess that I have to wait till the answer. Okay, I have some. Alright, honestly I didn't expect this much. This is literally entire scientific work about my channel. So guys, thumbs up for Zai Chat, and at the end I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe and see ya!